Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to merge files in EOffice. This process is essential for combining related documents, like appendices or drafts, into a single, comprehensive record. Merging files helps streamline your document management, ensuring all information is accessible in one place. It also enhances collaboration by providing a single source of truth, making your workflow much more efficient. Before merging, open your main document in EOffice. This is the primary file where you want to insert additional content. Next, carefully decide where the part file should be inserted and place your cursor at that precise spot. It's also crucial to ensure that both your main file and the part files are in compatible formats like docx or OT to avoid any issues during the merge. To perform the merge, go to the Insert tab in your EOffice ribbon. Look for an option like Object and then select Text from File from the drop-down menu. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse and select the part file you wish to merge. Once chosen, click Insert, and EOffice will embed its contents into your main document at the cursor's location. After merging, thoroughly review the combined document. Check for consistent formatting, correct alignment, and any unwanted page breaks. If you encounter formatting issues, try copying the part file's text and pasting it as unformatted text, then apply the main document styles. Always save your merged document with a new name to preserve original files. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link for those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.